Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today is something a bit of Premiere Pro and filmmaking, but it's something that everyone wants to achieve it as a photographer on Instagram. Today I will show you how to upload high quality pictures to Instagram using Adobe Lightroom. I don't want to waste your time, this is a short tutorial, so let's begin. So if you're a photographer and you want to start an Instagram account, or you may already started one and you want to upload high quality crispy sharp photos to Instagram, this is the right video for you. So you're probably struggling with this one because you're uploading the highest possible quality to Instagram, but after the upload your image looks pretty bad. This was me until I found out what the problem is. So the problem is that Instagram is downscaling your photo in size and dimensions. And Instagram, like every other social platform, will reduce the quality of the upload as well. So to fix that, we need to stick with the Instagram recommended dimensions. So if you go to Google and type Instagram upload settings, you will see that Instagram recommends 1080 for the short edge and 1350 for the long edge. And for the square, the dimensions are 1080 by 1080. And that's what we want to do. So if you're uploading your pictures to Instagram with the original quality, let's say mine is 6000 by 4000, Instagram will reduce that to 1080 by 1350. But you will say, okay, but when the picture is downscaled, the quality it's even better. Yes, that's true, but for Instagram that's not true, because Instagram will reduce not just the size but the quality as well. So now that we know the dimensions that Instagram recommends, we can jump into Lightroom so we can show you the other settings you need to pay attention to so we can get the best quality images possible. So let's do it. Okay, so here we have our picture ready for the export. I'm gonna use this picture of my old Kodak. But before we start exporting, we need to make sure that this picture is cropped properly for Instagram. So Instagram recommends 4:5 crop for your portrait pictures. So to make sure that we are in 4:5, go here under the crop, and here we have 4:5, and just click done. Now our picture is ready for the export. To export it, go File, click Export so we can bring up the export window up. The first thing we need to do is choose the location and where we want to save our photo. So go here on Choose and choose your location. The next thing we need to do is to choose a name for our picture. So type whatever you want. I'm going to put Kodak. And let's go down to File Settings. The first thing is the image format. Always make sure that the image format is JPEG. This is the best format for uploading pictures online. For the color space, always make it also an sRGB. It should be selected by default, but if it's not for some reason, you should select it yourself. For the quality, you can experiment with this one yourself, but I recommend you to not put it on 100 because it will go under Instagram downscaling system. So always put it around 77 like me. You can experiment it and put it from around 75 to 82 and see what works best for you. Next thing, let's go to image sizing. Always check this resize to fit, and from the drop down menu choose short edge. As we've talked before, the short edge Instagram recommends it's 1080, so type in here 1080 and always select pixels. For the resolution, doesn't really matter because we're going fully digital here, and you can put it on 72. Mine is always left on 240, you can put this one if you want. And the last thing we need to do is go here on output sharpening. Check this sharpen for, and from the drop down menu choose screen. So we are sharpening this one for a screen, and put the amount on high. You can always experiment with this as well if you want. Put it on standard and see how your picture looks, but for me high worked just well. And the last thing we need to do is click here on export, and now our picture is ready for Instagram with the best quality possible. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you and it will help you grow your Instagram page in 2021 with the best quality photos possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, click that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Until then, peace.